Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this ANNWA ANNWA Raised toilet seat for adults. 10 centimeter, we can expand our setting experience with that toilet seat with lid. This is a toilet seat which you're going to use after an operation, for example. Because this is durable and comfort at the same time. The ANNWA Raised toilet seat for adults has an elevation height of 10 centimeter. It is ideal as a toilet attachment for seniors as well for people who have difficulty sitting on the toilet or getting up from it. For people with a hip or knee pain and with limited mobility. This adult toilet seat relieves the pain, relieves the knees and the hips, reduces the joint pressure and meets the needs of use of the whole family. And we have a stable structure, because this toilet riser is characterized by a slight fore-tilt, gentle edge lines, and a base that completely surrounds the toilet seat. This significantly improved the seating comfort. As a raised toilet seat, it has a high load capacity. This offers a safety of the people of the different heights and the weights and the reach of the maximum capacity of up to 200 kilograms. It is also a reliable booster seat for the toilet for seniors, which guarantees a stability even in daily use. And high quality materials, because the toilet attachment for seniors is made of hypoallergenic polypropylene. The material is corrosion resistant, easy to clean and disinfect proof. Cleaning is really simple, done with a cold or with hot water in combination with the cleaning agents. At the raised toilet seat, it has a lid that prevents the unpleasant odor and at the same time provides a rounded aesthetic appearance. That's perfect for everyday use. And high universality, because the toilet booster seat, both as a toilet booster and a toilet seat for adults, has a simple and discreet design. It is compatible with the most common toilets. It's also a booster seat toilet for seniors in different bathrooms. Of course, we should check the dimensions before we go to get this out of the from the seller, for example. Of course, yeah. That means if you have a toilet comes with an inner boil diameter of minimum 215 to 270, it will be matches. The outer dimension of the toilet is 325 to 380 millimeter. So easy, as you can see. Easy installation, of course. Booster toilet seat is much faster installed than other seat on the market. This all and more brings us the ANNWA Raised toilet seat for adults. 10 centimeter more height with this toilet seat and lid. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope see you again on my channel. Dun dun! Yeah.